Have you ever wondered why some people wake up energized, balanced, and ready to take on the day, while others struggle just to get started? Today, I want to share something shockingly simple, yet profoundly powerful. A tiny pinch of Himalayan pink salt in your morning water. It sounds almost too easy, but stay with me because what happens inside your body is nothing short of remarkable. Before you drink your next glass of plain water, listen to this. It might change your entire morning routine. When you begin your morning with water enriched by just a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, you are giving your body a deeply restorative form of hydration that works far beyond ordinary drinking water. Most people wake up slightly dehydrated without realizing it. Overnight, the body loses essential minerals through breathing, natural detoxification, and simple metabolic processes. When you drink plain water first thing in the morning, it hydrates, but only at the surface level. Your cells still crave the minerals needed to activate energy pathways, support nerve function, and stabilize mood. This is where Himalayan pink salt becomes a quiet but powerful morning ally. What makes this salt unique is its mineral composition, containing more than 80 trace minerals, magnesium, potassium, calcium, zinc, and iron. It offers your cells the raw materials they need for early morning balance. The moment this mineral-rich water enters your system, electrolytes begin to rebalance. This is the difference between simply drinking water and truly energizing your body from within. When electrolytes stabilize, your nerves communicate more efficiently, your muscles respond more smoothly, and your circulation becomes more supportive of your brain and organs. Imagine starting your day with hydration that actually wakes up your cells instead of just quenching your thirst. One of the least understood aspects of morning fatigue is the role of mineral deficiency. Even mild imbalances can lead to low energy, headaches, dizziness, or that heavy feeling start to the day. Himalayan pink salt supports the body's natural electrical activity by providing the exact minerals that allow your cells to communicate and fire properly. Your neurons depend on sodium and potassium exchange to send signals. Your muscles depend on magnesium and calcium to contract and relax. Without these minerals present in the right balance, your body feels underpowered. This is why something as small as a mineral-rich sip can create such a noticeable shift in how you feel. Another powerful benefit comes from how this hydration supports the adrenal system. The adrenals play a major role in morning energy, but they are sensitive to stress, dehydration, and mineral loss. Pink salt water helps regulate the adrenal response, allowing you to start your day calmer, more grounded, and more stable. Many people experience mid-morning crashes because the body is struggling to restore what it lacked at the start of the day. By providing minerals early, you create a foundation of energy that lasts longer and feels more natural. Your morning no longer controls you. You begin to control your morning. There's also an important connection between pink salt hydration and blood volume. Water alone can temporarily dilute sodium levels, especially in people who wake up depleted. When this happens, you may feel light-headed or weak even after hydrating. The small amount of natural sodium in Himalayan salt prevents this drop and helps maintain balanced blood volume, allowing the heart to pump more efficiently. This translates into better oxygen delivery, clearer thinking, and a more energized state. One small pinch can make your circulation work for you, not against you. Even your cellular metabolism benefits. The minerals in pink salt assist in the transport of glucose into cells, giving your body a smoother and more consistent release of energy. Instead of struggling through the morning fog, you feel steady, awake, and mentally present. This isn't stimulation, it's biological support. It's not forcing your body to wake up, it's helping your body remember how to wake up. And there's something even more fascinating. Mineral hydration impacts mitochondrial activity. The mitochondria, your energy factories, need minerals to produce ATP, the currency of energy. When these minerals are available right at the start of the day, your cells generate energy more efficiently. You feel it not as a spike, but as a gentle, sustainable rise in alertness and clarity. The kind of energy that doesn't crash, doesn't jitter, and doesn't depend on caffeine. So when you add Himalayan pink salt to your morning water, you are doing something profoundly intelligent for your body. You're not just hydrating, you're restoring, rebalancing, and re-energizing at the cellular level. You're giving your system the exact environment it needs to wake up, fully function optimally, and carry you through your day with more strength, more clarity, and more vitality. When you begin your morning with a glass of warm water enhanced by a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, something subtle yet incredibly powerful happens inside your digestive system. the body transitions from its overnight fasting state into its waking metabolic rhythm. And this small mineral boost acts like a gentle signal telling your digestive tract it's time to activate. Most people overlook how sensitive digestion is in the early hours, but your gut responds instantly to what you give it first. The minerals in pink salt, magnesium, potassium, calcium, and trace elements support the natural movements of the stomach and intestines, helping them prepare to break down food more effectively throughout the day. It's not just about waking up your digestive system, it's about priming it to function at its highest potential. During the night, your body slows digestion and focuses on repair. When morning comes, that transition back to active digestion can sometimes be sluggish, especially if there's dehydration, mineral imbalance, or general digestive weakness. The moment pink salt water flows in, it helps stimulate gastric secretions, your stomach acids, and digestive enzymes, allowing food to be processed with less strain once you eat your first meal. Think of it as giving your digestive system a smooth runway instead of forcing it to take off suddenly. This gentle boost not only reduces bloating and discomfort, but also enhances your ability to absorb nutrients from breakfast and throughout the day. Another key benefit lies in how pink salt supports the intestinal lining. Overnight, the gut lining becomes more sensitive and vulnerable, especially if the body experiences stress, acidity, or poor sleep. The minerals from Himalayan salt help maintain a balanced pH environment, allowing the gut lining to stay strong and supported. A well-balanced pH encourages good bacteria, discourages harmful ones, and creates a stable digestive environment. Your gut thrives when it's nourished with the right minerals first thing in the morning. For many people, slow digestion leads to a feeling of heaviness or lack of appetite in the morning. This is often due to poor electrolyte balance or mild dehydration, both of which affect stomach motility, the way food moves through the digestive tract. Pink salt water helps correct this by replenishing electrolytes immediately after waking. When the digestive system is well hydrated and mineral supported, the stomach and intestines begin to move more naturally, reducing gas, discomfort, and sluggishness. What follows is a smoother digestive flow that lasts throughout the day. It's remarkable how something so small can create such a noticeable shift in how your body responds after breakfast. Himalayan pink salt also plays an important role in activating digestive enzymes. These enzymes break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates so your body can use them efficiently for energy. If your enzyme production is low, which is common in the morning, your body ends up working harder to digest food, leading to fatigue, bloating, or nutrient loss. The minerals in pink salt help regulate the natural release of these enzymes, ensuring your digestive system works in harmony rather than struggling to keep up. This leads to better nutrient absorption, more consistent energy levels, and improved gut comfort. There's also a powerful connection between mineral hydration and the liver. The liver performs hundreds of metabolic functions overnight, including detoxification. By morning, it needs support to continue breaking down toxins and preparing the body for food intake. Pink salt water helps by assisting bile production, which is essential for digestion and nutrient absorption, especially fats. When bile flows smoothly, digestion becomes easier and more efficient. You feel lighter, clearer, and more balanced because your body is functioning the way it was designed to. Another fascinating aspect is how pink salt influences the gut-brain connection. A balanced digestive system communicates more effectively with the brain through the vagus nerve, influencing mood, energy, and focus. When digestion starts smoothly in the morning, the brain receives signals of stability, safety, and readiness. This is why a well-activated digestive system can make you feel more mentally clear and emotionally grounded. Your morning mood often begins in your gut long before your mind becomes aware of it. By supporting early morning digestion and nutrient absorption, Himalayan pink salt water sets the foundation for the entire day's metabolic performance. You're not just helping your stomach. You're supporting your brain, your energy, your immune system, and your overall sense of well-being. This simple ritual becomes a powerful investment in your metabolic health, one that begins working from the very first sip. When you start your morning with a glass of water infused with a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, your body experiences more than simple hydration. It receives a mineral signal that directly supports circulation and cellular repair. The human body depends on a delicate balance of electrolytes to maintain optimal blood flow and tissue health. Sodium, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, the key minerals found in Himalayan pink salt, work in concert to regulate the contraction and relaxation of blood vessels, helping to maintain stable blood pressure and efficient circulation. This process ensures that oxygen and essential nutrients are delivered to every organ, tissue, and cell in your body right from the moment you wake up. It's astonishing how a seemingly small ritual can influence such fundamental biological systems. Healthy blood flow is essential for cellular repair, a process that occurs continuously but is especially active during rest and early morning hours. Overnight, cells repair DNA, remove toxins, and restore energy. However, this repair process requires nutrients, oxygen, and a stable environment that depends on effective circulation. When your blood is mineral balanced, it flows more smoothly, carrying these vital elements to tissues that need them most. Himalayan pink salt provides trace minerals that the body cannot produce on its own, acting as essential co-factors in many enzymatic reactions required for cellular regeneration. You are giving your body the tools it needs to heal and rejuvenate, one sip at a time. Oxidative stress, the imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, is one of the primary drivers of inflammation and tissue damage. The minerals in pink salt support antioxidant systems by helping maintain proper enzyme function within cells. Enzymes such as superoxide dismutase rely on minerals like zinc and copper to neutralize free radicals. Without adequate mineral intake, these systems falter, leaving cells more vulnerable to damage. When you drink pink salt water in the morning, you are not just hydrating, you are providing your cells with the building blocks they need to combat oxidative stress, maintain membrane integrity, and function at peak efficiency. It's like giving your cells a protective shield before the day even begins. Magnesium, in particular, is a critical mineral that influences vascular tone and endothelial function, the ability of blood vessels to dilate and contract appropriately. Many people experience stiffening of blood vessels with age or lifestyle stress, which can lead to fatigue, poor circulation, and reduced nutrient delivery. By replenishing magnesium along with other trace minerals, Himalayan pink salt water enhances vascular flexibility and supports optimal blood flow. This ensures that your brain, heart, muscles, and other vital organs receive oxygen and nutrients efficiently, leading to sustained energy, mental clarity, and improved physical performance. Beyond blood flow, these minerals are instrumental in supporting cellular repair mechanisms. Calcium, potassium, and trace elements help regulate cellular signaling pathways that trigger repair and regeneration. Each time a cell detects the presence of sufficient minerals, it can perform protein synthesis, DNA repair, and mitochondrial renewal more efficiently. This process is particularly important for organs that are under constant stress, such as the heart, liver, and brain. You are effectively jump-starting your body's internal repair systems with a single, simple habit. There is also a connection between mineral hydration and inflammation control. Chronic low-level inflammation is a silent contributor to many diseases and fatigue. When cells receive the minerals they need, inflammatory pathways are naturally modulated, reducing stress on tissues and supporting immune function. Himalayan pink salt, with its complex mineral profile, works as a subtle yet effective regulator of these processes, allowing the body to maintain homeostasis and repair itself more efficiently. Imagine giving your circulatory system and your cells the exact support they require to recover from everyday stress before your day even begins. By drinking Himalayan pink salt water in the morning, you are ensuring that your circulatory system is energized, your tissues receive optimal nourishment, and your cells are primed for repair and regeneration. Every sip carries minerals that improve vascular function, enhance cellular resilience, and support antioxidant defenses. This ritual transforms morning hydration into a strategic act of cellular empowerment, providing a foundation for better health, energy, and vitality throughout the day. When you begin your morning with water enriched by a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, you are engaging in a practice that profoundly impacts hydration at the cellular level, which in turn influences brain function, metabolism, and overall physiological efficiency. Most hydration strategies focus only on replacing water lost overnight, yet the body's cells require more than mere fluid. They depend on a delicate balance of electrolytes and minerals to maintain optimal function. Himalayan pink salt provides sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium in their natural, bioavailable forms, creating an ideal environment for cells to absorb water efficiently. This is not ordinary hydration. It is precise cellular nourishment that prepares your body for the demands of the day. Many people overlook this step and wonder why they feel sluggish or foggy in the morning, but mineral-enriched hydration addresses the root cause. Proper cellular hydration is critical for the nervous system. Brain cells are highly sensitive to fluid and electrolyte imbalances. Even mild dehydration can impair concentration, memory, and mental clarity. When minerals from Himalayan pink salt enter the bloodstream, they facilitate water movement into neurons through carefully regulated channels. This allows the brain to function at a higher level immediately after waking. Neurotransmitter production, synaptic communication, and overall cognitive performance all benefit from this enhanced hydration. The difference is subtle but undeniable. Your mind operates more smoothly, your thoughts are clearer, and decision-making becomes more precise. Metabolic efficiency is another area profoundly influenced by mineral hydration. Every biochemical reaction in the body depends on the presence of specific ions. Sodium and potassium regulate fluid balance within cells, calcium and magnesium influence enzyme activity, and trace minerals act as cofactors in hundreds of metabolic pathways. By consuming Himalayan pink salt in morning water, you provide your metabolism with the exact ingredients necessary for efficient energy production. Glucose transport into cells becomes smoother. Mitochondria, the energy-producing powerhouses, work more efficiently, and overall energy output rises naturally. Instead of relying on caffeine or sugar to artificially stimulate energy, your body is empowered to produce it naturally from within. There is also a critical connection between mineral hydration and blood pressure regulation. Properly balanced electrolytes support the body's ability to maintain steady blood pressure, preventing fluctuations that can lead to fatigue, dizziness, or reduced organ perfusion. When blood pressure is stable, oxygen and nutrients reach the brain, muscles, and organs more effectively. The result is a body that responds dynamically to physical and mental demands without unnecessary stress. The act of drinking mineralized water first thing in the morning is an investment in stability that most people never consider. Cellular detoxification is another process enhanced by this practice. Hydration alone supports the removal of metabolic waste, but when water contains bioavailable minerals, cells function more efficiently and maintain optimal volume and turgor. Properly hydrated cells expel toxins more effectively, support lymphatic flow, and enhance overall tissue health. Magnesium, in particular, plays a pivotal role in enzymatic reactions that facilitate the neutralization of free radicals and oxidative byproducts. Your cells are essentially receiving a morning tune-up, allowing the body to operate at a higher level of efficiency right from the start. The influence of mineral hydration on mood and mental resilience is equally profound. The gut-brain axis, which connects digestive function with neurological signaling, depends on electrolyte balance and proper cellular hydration. When these systems are supported, the brain receives consistent signals of balance and readiness, contributing to emotional stability and improved focus. Even subtle fluctuations in hydration can manifest as irritability, mental fatigue, or lack of motivation, all of which can be mitigated through mineral-enriched water intake. You are literally setting the stage for a day where your mind and body are in synchronized rhythm. By starting the day with Himalayan pink salt water, you enhance cellular hydration, support efficient metabolism, stabilize blood pressure, and optimize brain function simultaneously. The minerals provide the framework for water to enter cells effectively, ensuring every tissue and organ is primed for peak performance. Each sip is a scientifically grounded intervention that elevates the body's ability to function at its best, creating a foundation for sustained energy, mental clarity, and physiological resilience throughout the day. So tomorrow morning, before you reach for tea or coffee, pause for a moment and choose to nourish your body in its purest form. Add that single pinch of Himalayan pink salt to your water. Watch how your energy shifts, how your digestion improves, how your clarity returns. Sometimes, the smallest habits create the biggest transformation. And this simple act, you can start right now. Your body will thank you for it.